5 Best Wet Mop for Tile Floors Reviews. Number 1. Microfiber Mop Floor Cleaning System. This cleaning mop is durable and is going to last long. Its long handle is made of aluminum alloy, the mop head with metal, and the pads are soft but firm on the dirt. With few swipes, your hardwood floors will be clean of debris. You get 2 microfiber pads and 2 scrub pads with it. The design of the mop pad is such that picking up pet hair, dust, and debris is easy and quick. Wash the microfiber pads after every use up to 100 times and reuse them. These are eco-friendly, and you can wash them in the machine. So, safe and hassle-free. Its 360-degree spin head reaches tightest corners, under furniture, and even baseboards to clean the dust. The mop head is 17 inches large, so it covers a good space in one swipe. So, dusting and mopping a large room takes less time. Its large handle comes handy in dusting the ceiling. Number 2. Swiffer Sweeper Cleaner Dry and Wet Mop Starter Kit for cleaning hardwood and floors. Those of you who are okay with not reusing the mop pads but want a cleaner that works, this one is an excellent choice for you. Reach the tough-to-reach spot with ease with its swivel mop head. When you wet mop, the thick pad traps the dirt in the cloth and keeps it locked in it. So, once swept, the damp and sticky dirt does not spread all over the floor and stains it. For dusting, you get 7 dry pads. Dump them once used. Refills are easily available in the market. For wet mopping, you get 3 wet pads. They are tough on grime. All these pads have no scent on them. If you are thinking of traveling with it, then it is easy to transport. You do not have to carry the long pole with you. Just disassemble it into 4 parts and pack it in a bag. Number 3. Aootek Easy Wring Microfiber Spin Mop. Easy Wring is the best wet mop for tile and hardwood floors. It is easy, looks cool, and works even cooler. You have a wide bucket with a foot pedal and a mop. Inside the bucket, you have a spinner that strains water and dries the mop head. Wet mopping can be harmful to hardwoods. So, mops that are too damp are not a good choice. This one wrings water thoroughly to dry the microfiber. The mop head in it is different because it has a triangular design. Instead of pads, it has thick microfiber threads. The fiber does deep cleaning like no other. To wash the dirt, throw it in the machine after detaching it from the mop head. For hands-free wringing, put the microfiber in the bucket and then at once on the spinner. Start foot pedaling. The spinner with the mop head will start spinning in speed.
We like to play crocodile on the floor. Aootek Easy Wring removes over 99% of bacteria, even with just water, and wrings with the press of a pedal. Easy Wring. Easy and truly clean floors.
Try it, you'll see.
Also discover the Aootek Pro Mist Max for the fastest, everyday cleaning. Aootek, it feels great to feel at home.
Number 4. 18 inches Professional Microfiber Mop. Most of the mops we use in daily lives require a lot of water and doesn't even clean properly. This professional microfiber mop cleans every corner of your house more effectively. Its pads are made with extra thick microfiber and that scrubs the dirt out only with normal water. You can adjust the mop's 42 to 72 inches handle according to your preference. You can easily glide across the floor. It has the Velcro recessed in the frame. So, there is no tension of peeling off even after simultaneous uses. Its microfiber flat mops glide across the floor smoothly and make the mopping easy for you. You should go for this one because of its extra thick microfiber. It ensures a deeper cleaning and guzzles out all the dirt. It works best only with normal tap water. Number 5. Aootek Upgraded Stainless Steel Deluxe 360 Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System. If you are searching for a mop that can remove all dirt, fouling, and does full cleaning of the house, then Aootek Upgraded Stainless Steel Deluxe 360 Spin Mop and Bucket Floor Cleaning System will be the best one for you. It cleans the floor effectively with super thin microfiber. Its absorbent quality is remarkable. You will get rid of the hassle of touching dirty water now and then. It requires zero power and super eco-friendly. With this 360 degrees mop, you can clean the floor of your household. You can use this mop for a very long time. You don't need to buy an extra bucket anymore. This amazing cleaning mop comes with a bucket and super thin microfiber. After using this, you'll never get back to the regular cotton scrubbers.